I got this guy off Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link it down in the description. We'll see how it goes. But I've never tried it before. It looks cool. One thing that led me to this one particularly is that it has the adapter to hook up to my electric power washer. This is just a simple Harbor Freight power washer. You can see there, Poland brand. Got that on Harbor Freight. It was on sale for like 80 bucks, so I had to try it out. So I got this foam cannon because it's got this connection here, and this fits perfectly into the Harbor Freight gun. So I thought that was pretty cool. And it comes with these 5 different spray nozzles, so you can have different types of pressure coming out of the gun when it comes to just water. Quick little connect. The cool thing about this is that it's like a regular pressure washer connection foam cannon. It's just a quick connect, so that's cool. So whenever I want to take off the cannon itself, just pop it off real quick, and pop one of these guys so I can get just water going instead of water and soap. So again, I'm very excited for this. Gonna try it out, of course, on the Type R. She is a bit dirty. It has been raining, so gonna go ahead, get her all cleaned up, and let's see how it works. First, this guy real quick. Just goes in, push it in, twist it, locks it into place. Then you can go ahead and put your cannon afterwards. But let's go ahead and fill it up with some soap. I've also got this new soap that my wife bought for me. We'll see how it works. Never tried it before. A-Stealth. She says she bought it off TikTok. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's great. It does say it's a high foam car shampoo. So we're about to find out. Alright, so real quick, I'm just gonna go off the instructions that are on the bottle. It says to use 4 to 6 ounces of the soap, and the rest is water. So I went ahead and put, I just went in the middle and I did 5 ounces of the soap, and the rest I'll fill up with some water, shake it around, get it all nice and evened out in there, and then she's ready to go. Alright guys, just hosed the car down. Now it's time to try out the foam cannon. I did do a couple sprays here just to try to get the nozzle, to a good spot. And it looks like it's gonna come out really good. So let's see how this happens. Holy shit. Okay, I gotta add that I've never used a foam cannon in my life, so this is gonna be amazing to me. Wow. Okay, I'm sure a lot of this has to do with the soap as well being awesome, but this foam cannon does work really well, as you can see. For being $30 on Amazon, I have 0 complaints. This is pretty badass, to be honest. Damn. Look at that. I'm back to championship weight. That is awesome. That is awesome. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start scrubbing it down. Okay, so I got it all scrubbed up for the half that I soaped up. I was just gonna water it. I used the yellow tip. I haven't tried the other one. I tried the black one, but it was too much of a, like, how to explain it? Here, let me take it off. The black one was more like this. Like it just threw water. Didn't really have pressure. So I'm trying the yellow one, and it's pretty good. Try not to get too close because my car is wrapped, as you can see. But it seems like the yellow one is really not that strong, so I should be fine using this one. So if that's something you guys are worried about, I suggest the yellow one. It's working out good for me so far. And by the way, the soap smells amazing. It smells so good. And the soap was right when it said high foam, because it foamed up a lot. I hope you guys can hear me.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big
Alright, so I got the car all washed up, scrubbed every single part of it. It's all good to go. Just gotta dry it, but I do gotta do the wheels still. And I also got this from A Stealth as well. The brake bomber, it's supposed to be a wheel and bug remover, as you can see here. It's supposed to be really good. So it says powerful formula, multi-use application, extreme cleaning power. So let's see how it goes. According to the instructions on the back of the bottle, you just spray it on and then leave it for 10 to 30 seconds. Let me see if I can get there's more of a stream here. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna thoroughly spray this all over. The wheel has I already pressure washed it to get all the loose dirt off of it. So that was done. Now I'm just gonna completely spray it with this. It says it's safe for all wheels and finishes. And it's safe on the paint too, so if you actually get some on the paint, it should be fine. Alright, that should be a good amount. Make sure I get some on the brakes. I like those to be nice and shiny. Leave that on there for a few seconds, and then we'll see what happens. Alright guys, it's been about 15 seconds. I don't know what's in that bottle, but that does not smell good. The soap smells amazing, but that kind of stinks. But seems to be working. You can see all the brown there. I'm gonna hope that that's the dirt, because then again, the liquid in here does seem to be brown colored. So it could be just the liquid. It's trying to fool me. But hey, give it a shot. See how it works. And yeah, that's just about enough time. Let's go ahead, get the pressure washer, and let's see if we can get a lot cleaner.
But look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. And I ain't gonna lie to you.
Seems to be pretty successful, I would say. I didn't scrub it, I just sprayed it. It does say you can scrub it to make it work even better, but I wanted to see if I can get a good job without having to scrub it. And I know it's hard to tell on the wheel because it's black, but let me see. Here you can see that it's still a bit dirty. These wheels are satin black, so they are a bit rough. They're not gloss. I would imagine on gloss wheels, you know, the dirt would slide off a lot easier. But if you look at my caliper, it is a lot cleaner. This right here was all black, and now it's just nice shiny red. All of that right there, right against the rotor there. So if I had gloss wheels, I don't think I'd have to scrub this at all, to be honest. Give it a good pressure wash before to get the loose dirt off of it. Spray it, leave it on for a while, and then pressure wash it again. And it seems to be pretty darn good. I won't be able to tell too much on these wheels until they dry, because when they're wet, they look clean when they're wet. But judging off that brake caliper, that worked pretty darn well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. Oh, here we go. See, this one's dried up, so you can tell the dirt a lot easier. So take a look at this caliper. It's got some black stuff there. Some more in here by the roller again. That's where all the brake pad stuff kits. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this one down, and then I'll show you guys that one also. Alright, so the wheel spray has been on there for about a minute while I dried the car off. Alright, so it definitely works really good on the gloss surfaces, like the brake caliper. And it works pretty good on the satin black here wheels, but you definitely want to scrub them. You can't just spray and then pressure wash afterwards. This still stays a bit dirty, so you can probably see the lines there behind in the barrel. So definitely want to scrub it up to get it clean, but hey, at least it works decently. I had to try it, you know, something off TikTok, can't expect anything crazy, but yeah, works decently at least. Okay, she's all done, nice and clean. Foam cannon worked amazing. Wheel cleaner, was alright. Can't complain though. But get it all nice and shiny, dry it up all the way around, good to go. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have a few more on the way coming that I have planned to film soon. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. And again, I'll put a link in the description down below for the foam cannon if you guys are interested in it. If you happen to have an electric power washer like I do, or if you don't have anything and you've been looking for a cheap way, you know, to go ahead and power wash your car with foam cannon and all that, go ahead, head to Harbor Freight. Nice little power washer right there. Like I said earlier, usually they go on sale, especially now for the holidays. I got that one for about 80 bucks, I think it was, or 75, something like that. So fairly cheap compared to a lot of other ones out on the market. And the foam cannon was only 30 bucks, so I can't complain. Hooked right up, worked perfectly as you saw. But yeah guys, until next time guys, take care and have a great day.
I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be, and do you believe